Welcome to another one, guys. I was thinking doing some wade fishing today, but look at that. The water is like completely low. Like I think the strong north-west winds probably push the water out of the bay. I can walk almost close to the Skyway. Throwing some plastic. I have crabbies with me. We're gonna see if we find some deep waters with some sheepshead around. Might throw fiddler crabs as well. Let's go and catch some fish. Whew. This is tiring. Made it to the other sandbar, so we're almost at Skyway. Oh man, this is too much work. At least waves are not crashing this way. The wind doesn't let them. You see the waves like crashing back, so they are not gonna make it all the way to the shore. All right, let's go. And I can cast a mile since the wind is from behind. Come on, we should catch something good here, guys. All this walk, so let's hope catch something good. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on this depth right in front of me where the grass ends. Then if nothing here, I'm gonna move on my right. Let's give this area a few minutes first. Come on. Ooh, something. Oh yeah, fish on. First fish of the day. Nice fish. Might be a good sized trout too. If it's not a redfish, yeah, it's a fat trout. Nice. Oh, it's a red. Let's see it. Oh, fat trout. Fat trout. Look at that, guys. Oh, he's swollen. He annihilated that net string. Look how fat this trout is, guys. All right, relax, relax. Look at that. Woo! Just like that came out. Look at that size of this trout. I don't know if you can see it good on the camera, but that's a 18-19 incher, but fat. I might push for 20. Nice. Thank you, little fella. Finally, I'm pumped. Let's see what else we're gonna find here. These little shrimps are amazing. Nice. Let's catch a big one today, guys. Let's try to get something over 20. Or I'll take a redfish. Let's go. Start casting on the same spot. So we're gonna give this area a good half an hour, even if we have no bite. I wanna work this area a little bit. I'm gonna work a little bit on the right. And it gets shallow on my left, so we'll see if we find. Let's catch a big one today, guys. Let's try to get something over 20. Or I'll take a redfish. Let's go. Start casting on the same spot. So we're gonna give this area a good half an hour, even if we have no bite. Fish on. Oh, what a bite. This might be even bigger. Nice. Didn't even bring my measuring tape. Today will be good for catch clean cooked trout. Can come back on this spot. Oh yeah, that's a fat trout. Guys, those trout are like pushing 18 plus, all of them. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Right on the corner. Wait. Got you. Yeah, this might be pushing 20. I'm pretty sure. Look at the mouth of that trout. Nice. Wow. Just wow. Thanks for the fight. I'm having fun. Not even 3 minutes on this spot. 2 fatties. Alright. We are good to go. There you have it, guys. Fish catching machine. Let's see how long I'm gonna take for another one. We found a good hole in there. Let's go. Ooh, chasing. Come on. Chase, fish on, just like that. 3 nice fish in 5 minutes. Look at that, another big trout. This one is not giving up. Trout are good when they're over 18. That's when they have some fight, because you know, I don't really chase much trout, especially when they're like 15s and under. It's so easy. Fat ones, heavy ones are pretty good fight. Look at that. Another nice trout there. Right on the corner. All keeper trout, guys. All keeper trout. So 3 for 3. Nice. Yep. Just like that. All right. Ooh. Feisty. Let's put this shrimp back. Even it looks like it's damaged, it's not. This is a really good shrimp. Look at that. Just like that. Perfect again. Got good action. Look at that. I'll show you how this shrimp works. Look at that, guy. Like a real deal. Heads down, just like regular shrimp. Let's go. It got cold again, so it's gonna be cold these few days. Not crazy cold, but I think dropped to like 45 last night. That's why trout bite should be hot again. Sheepshead bite should be hot. Fish on! Right here, guys. 5 feet away, chased. It's a good one too. I mean, not 5 feet, it's more like 20 feet, but hey, still. Fat trout. Oh, steak and drag. This might be the biggest, I think. Let's see. Is this number 4? Yeah, I think this is number 4. All keeper trout, believe it or not. Oh, that's a fat trout. Jeez, look at that. Wow. Is that beautiful? That's the biggest. Oh, he's pushing 21 probably. Yep. I'll say 21. Look how fat he is there. Look at that, guys. I think he's pushing 21. Come on, let go. I'm thinking 21. Okay, I think we'll be close. I know it's above 20, maybe 20 half, but I'm thinking 21. Look at the mouth. Beautiful fat trout. Look at that. Woo! He was right on the grass. I was for sure 21. I wasn't even jigging it. I just left it on the bottom. I was cleaning my hand and I felt something tag on the other end, and I just set the hook. He was there. Fish on. Oh, that's a good one. It's fighting weird. Oh. I follow the hook him or something. Jesus, that's fat. That's why it's fighting weird, because it's fat. Look at that. Wow. Another 20 plus, guys. Another 20 plus. I wish I had my measuring tape with me. Look how fat he is. Look how fat. Just look at that. Oh yeah, that's bigger than the one I had earlier. Jeez, look how fat they are. It's been eating good. Wow. All of them. Not a single trout under size, guys. All of them fat. Nice. Thanks for the fight, bud. Let's catch one more and call it in this spot. I'm having fun though. Alright. Let's make this the last fish for this spot. We're gonna come back another day. I haven't had trout in ages, so I already had black drum. Now it's time for trout. Fish almost on. Yeah, we might do a catch, clean and cook and trout. Fish on, finally. Last fish, guys, last fish here. It's a nice trout. We know there's plenty of trout here, so feisty. Digging down on the grass. Must be another fat one. Oh yeah, it's taking some drag. Fat trout. Jeez, that's fat. Look at that. Look at the size of that trout. Another 20 probably. Alright, we know. We know you are angry, but it's okay. I promise I'll let you go. Look at the size of this trout. And they're all fat. All of them. Jeez. 20s, guys. Catching them 20 and 21 today. Look at that. Fat. Let's go somewhere else. Thanks for the fight, bud. Alright, it's gonna be our last spot. You're muddy. It should be good. Since I have this plastic on, I'm gonna start with this. Then we got some crabby. Here we're gonna put some crab, guys, because there are some nice sheepies here on these skinny waters. Can be sheepset, can be snapper, can be snook or redfish. We got them all in this area. Let's go. Can be sheepy too. That's why I got the crabbies. I can't see them. It's too windy. The water is not perfect. I mean, it's clear, but I can't see because of the waves. I might do some blind cast later on, just search all this area. They're all over this area, or that's where they used to be, so I don't know if they're here today though. Fish on? What is it? Tiny snook? Oh, tiny trout. Tiny snook. Baby snook. Look at him. How tiny this guy is. See you, little fella. I knew there was something there. Let's give it a few more minutes, see if he has friends before we start throwing crabbies. Right in that open of the mangroves right there. Perfect cast. That's where he was. Baby. Fish on! What is it this time? Trout? This is fun. Is it snapper? What is it? Come on. Snapper. Oh man, this is fun. Everything bites here. Man, he swallowed this shrimp. Go away. Don't damage my shrimp, please. There you go. Hey, baby snapper. Trout. Little snooky. Snapper. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's send it out. Yeah, again on the same spot. They're hugging those mangroves right there, looks like. And this wind helps us to go right in there without getting close. Oh, that's a good one. Nice fish. Let's see what we got. Let's hope for a redfish. Could be a nice little inshore slam. Either snook or red, I'm thinking. Come on. Maybe a little red. Oh, it's a snook. Oh, I have to retie, guys. I knew I might get something bigger and gonna cut me. Come on. Don't do it. Hey. Bigger snook. We'll take it. All we're missing is redfish now. Right on the corner. Yeah, I'll retie this time. Oh, it's like, hold my beer. Not ready for you. Let's hear the snooky. Alright, relax. Alright, relax. Look at that, guys. Look at that beauty right there. Nice. Yum. Come on, let's get the redfish. Then we try some crabby. There's a redfish somewhere there, for sure. Can't complain though. Let's go. Oh, come on. Fish on! What is this? Baby snook. Oh, well. Another little one. Look at this baby snooky there. Okay, relax. Having a lot of fun today. It has to be a redfish somewhere here. Come on. Fish on. Oh, that's a good one. Another snook. I'll take it. topper for redfish. I think it's a snook. Yes, snook. Come here, you snooky snooky. This is fun. Something is chasing me. Something is chasing me. Alright, relax. Relax. Oh, I got him pretty bad. Got him on the upper lip. Little bigger than the first one, I think. Or maybe the same guy, I don't know. Hey, I'll take it. Thanks for the fight, bud. Alright, we're ready. What crabbies we're gonna use? Hey, not everybody. I all wanna go out. Stop biting. Let's start with this big boy. We'll give it 5 minutes. If no bite on a crab, we call it a day, guys. So let's start casting right in front of us. Like I said, I'm gonna search all my left and my right. Few minutes. We'll know if they're here because they're not gonna say no to the crabby. Let's move a little closer since we don't have any weight. Uh-oh. Fish on, no waiting. Oh, that's a fat sheepy. See, even if you don't see them, guys. First cast, a nice keeper sheepy. Even if you don't see them, they're there. Look at that. 13 incher. Pretty sure it's like 13. Ah, it's slippery. Alright. We got it. Look at that, guys. Nice sheepy in 2 feet of water. Let's go. Alright, you guys, that was fun. So we started with the flats. In beginning, a little disappointed till I found some deeper waters, and man, fat trout. Came to the second spot here, and man, oh man, snook, a snapper, sheepshead, they were all biting. I only had few crabbies to spare. They all got eaten. Landed one nice sheepshead. Overall was fun, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give us a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next adventure.